Nuclear power plant warning. Nuclear power plant warning. This is not a test. The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Luis Obispo County Emergency Management. A nuclear power plant warning has been issued for residents within a 100-mile radius of the Diablo Canyon Nuclear Power Plant located in Santa Maria, California. A meltdown has occurred at the plant due to a sudden invasion in the station. The identities of the suspects that caused the meltdown are unknown at this time. Once they infiltrated the station, they proceeded to make all the reactors go into meltdown, which can pose an extreme threat to life and property. Due to the possible threat of nuclear explosions and the release of radioactive materials into the atmosphere, all residents within the mentioned radius of the Diablo Canyon Nuclear Power Plant are advised to evacuate immediately. When you evacuate, make sure to tie a white towel or cloth to a visible part of your home to notify your local civil authorities that you are aware of the situation and that you have evacuated. Do not use the towel if you need assistance. If you require assistance, emergency management and law enforcement officials will escort you to the nearest pickup point. Make sure you gather the essential supplies such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries. Do not pick up relatives from schools, hospitals, or nursing homes. These facilities have their own evacuation procedures and will act on them accordingly. Make sure you have a gas mask rated NBC to protect yourself from radioactive fallout. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear attacks and explosions. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in severe illness and death if not treated in a proper manner. It will only take a minute after impact for the effects of fallout to spread. Please stay tuned to local stations or media outlets as more updates will follow as information becomes available.
At Chick-fil-A, we may be about the little things, but for us, community is a big thing. It brings out the best in us all, even in times as uncertain as these. While we can't have the pleasure of serving you in our dining areas, we're still here for you.
Radiological hazard warning. The following is a radiological hazard warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the California State Police and the California Emergency Management Agency. At approximately 9:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, multiple reports have stated that the Diablo Canyon Nuclear Power Plant has, in fact, exploded. The explosion has sent a variety of radioactive materials into the atmosphere, many more than expected, and has spread throughout the entire state of California. This is an extremely dangerous situation and should be taken seriously. All residents that are currently listening to this broadcast are advised to seek a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear attacks and explosions. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in severe illness and death if not treated in a proper manner. It will only take a minute after impact for the effects of fallout to spread. Put on an approved gas mask rated NBC to protect yourself from being exposed to radioactive fallout. Take the essential supplies with you, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered or hand crank radio with extra batteries. Do not leave your shelter at all costs. Doing so will result in you exposing yourself to radioactive fallout. Please stay tuned to local stations or media outlets for more information on this life-threatening situation.